In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Dashboard Hub for Monday.com. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. In the search bar, type in Monday.com and proceed to log into your account. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, it's time to explore the Monday.com app marketplace. Navigate through the menu options until you find the marketplace, which is essentially a treasure trove of apps that enhance your Monday.com experience. Here, search for Dashboard Hub and click to install it. This powerful tool will be your best friend in creating and customizing dashboards that meet your project management needs. Now, let's move on to creating a dashboard from one of your boards on Monday.com. Go to the board you want to work with, and in the top right corner, you'll see a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it and select Create Dashboard from the drop-down menu that appears. Naming your dashboard is the next step. Choose a name that is meaningful and relevant to the data it will display. You have the option to start with a pre-built template, which can save you time if it suits your needs, or start with a completely blank dashboard to have full control over its structure and content. After creating your dashboard, you'll see a prompt to connect the relevant boards. This is essential as it allows you to pull data from various sources within your workspace. A window will open, and you'll notice a search bar along with a list of your boards. Use the search bar for easy navigation or scroll through to find the boards you want to include in your dashboard. Select a board by clicking the checkbox next to its name. Once you've connected the desired boards, the fun part begins, adding widgets. Widgets are incredible for visualizing data in a way that makes sense for you and your team. They can display various metrics from your connected boards, like forecasted revenue, deal statuses, or even team workload. It's all about creating a visual story of your data that's insightful and actionable. Finally, with your dashboard set up and widgets in place, you now have a clear and visual overview of your team's progress and performance. This powerful setup allows you and your team to focus on what's important, quickly identify challenges, and celebrate successes. And there you have it, your very own dashboard up and running in just a few minutes. Whether you're managing a single project or overseeing multiple teams, Dashboard Hub for Monday.com provides a central view into your organization's performance, helping you make data-driven decisions with ease. So dive in, customize, and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboarding!